Have you ever wondered how to unlock deals in inherited real estate? Today, we dive into the world of probate properties and how they can present unique opportunities for savvy investors. Probate properties refer to real estate assets that are part of an estate going through the probate process. This legal process distributes a deceased person's assets to their heirs or beneficiaries. The key to successfully navigating this landscape lies in understanding the process, building relationships, and exercising sensitivity. First and foremost, familiarize yourself with the probate process in the specific jurisdiction where you're looking to invest. Probate laws can vary greatly, and understanding the legal aspects is crucial. Secondly, it's all about connections. Connect with probate attorneys, estate planners, and other professionals who work in the probate field. They can provide valuable insights and may even refer you to heirs or executors looking to sell real estate. Thirdly, keep an eye on probate court filings and listings. These records provide information about properties entering the probate process and can be a treasure trove for investors. Remember, dealing with probate properties involves sensitivity. Heirs may be grieving, so it's paramount to approach the situation with empathy and professionalism. Next, identify motivated sellers. Executors or heirs managing the probate process may be motivated to sell quickly to settle the estate. Offering solutions that can help expedite the sale can be a win-win situation for all parties involved. Conduct thorough due diligence on the property. This includes title searches, property condition assessments, and any potential liens or encumbrances. Understanding how to accurately value probate properties is another crucial skill. This involves considering market conditions, comparable sales, and the property's condition. Negotiation skills are key in this process. Given the potential motivation of sellers, effective negotiation can make all the difference. Be ready to make fair offers while considering the unique circumstances of the probate situation. Collaborating with real estate agents who specialize in probate properties can be beneficial. They may have access to listings and insights that can enhance your investment strategy. It's also important to be prepared for delays. The probate process can be lengthy due to legal requirements. Patience is key, and understanding the potential delays in closing a deal is essential. In some cases, heirs may be open to creative financing options, such as seller financing or lease options. Exploring these options can open up new opportunities to secure a deal. Lastly, always consult with legal professionals to ensure that you understand and comply with probate laws and regulations. Legal guidance can help you navigate potential challenges and avoid costly mistakes. In summary, navigating probate properties requires a combination of legal knowledge, sensitivity, and real estate expertise. As regulations and market conditions can vary, it's advisable to seek guidance from professionals familiar with the specific jurisdiction and the probate process in that area. So, the next time you come across an inherited property, remember these steps and unlock the potential that lies in probate real estate.